Journaling that clears your mind and improves your life. Today's world is uncomfortably noisy and busy. Our hearts are chased by stress. Our space of living is compressed. Our inner voice is silenced. Is there a way to beat all the noise and restore inner peace? The answer is yes, if you are willing to. It is a simple solution to journal for mental clarity, which is mindfulness journaling. This type of journaling has the power to change your life. It may assist you in being more productive, satisfied, and less stressed. All you need to get started is a notebook and a pen. Journaling for mental clarity resembles reflective journaling but requiring no thinking. We just let our expressions flow naturally. We pen down whatever comes to our mind, without any anticipation or criticism. Do not edit your words or ponder on the ideas. The key is to let all thoughts and words flow freely. This type of writing has a powerful therapeutic component that most people are unaware of. We are better able to organize fragmented memories, accept the past, and release negative ideas through mindfulness journaling. Another advantage of keeping a mindfulness journal is that you may reflect on the positive aspects of your life, rather than taking them for granted. Keeping a mindfulness journal has also been shown to improve brain power over time, allowing individuals to make wiser decisions, show gratitude, and keep track of everything.